Hey everyone, welcome back to another Get Ready With Me here on my channel. And this Get Ready With Me is inspired by the Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the name First Class. I just thought this liquid lip was such a different and unique color, something that I definitely don't have in my collection, so I really wanted to do a whole Get Ready With Me kind of centered around or inspired by this liquid lip. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be priming my eyes with my e.l.f. eyelid primer, and then I'm going to be using all of the eyeshadows from the Conspiracy Eyeshadow Palette, which is also from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star collaboration. So the first eyeshadow that I'm going to be applying is in the name Tanacon, and I'm just going to start by applying that in my crease. The next eyeshadow color that I'm going to be applying is in the name Diet Root Beer, and I'm just going to take that on a little bit of a smaller, more dense eyeshadow brush and just start building up the crease color and add some dimension. Next color I'm going to go in with is in the name Illuminati, and this is going to be the color that we will eventually end up putting all over our lids. But first I'm just taking it on this large tapered blending brush, and I'm just going to be adding that kind of on like the outer corners of our eyes and also into the crease. I decided to do this first before applying it all over the lid, just to make sure everything was blended with the other eyeshadow colors that we already put in the crease. The next eyeshadow color that I'm going to be going in with is in the name My Rides Here, which is just a matte, perfect black color, and I'm just going to be taking this on an even smaller tapered blending brush, and I'm going to be adding that into the outer corners of our eyes, and then also just blending it slightly into the rest of the crease colors. And then I'm also going to go back in with all of the other eyeshadow brushes that we used and other eyeshadows that we used, just to touch up all the colors, make sure they're pigmented, and then of course make sure everything is blending together nicely. Now that the crease is done and everything is blended together, I am going to go in with the Illuminati color and start adding that onto the rest of our eyelid. Is what our eyes are looking like so far, but before I do anything else with the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows and then the rest of my face makeup. So the products that I'm going to be using for our eyebrows today is a eyebrow gel or pomade from CoverGirl, and then also a brow duo kit called Brow This Way by Rimmel London. Now that our eyebrows are filled in, I'm going to go in with my concealer by Physicians Formula, and I'm just going to kind of clean up the edges of my eyebrows. I've been really enjoying this lately. I just feel like it makes your eyebrows look so much more like sharp and cleaner. So I'm going to go ahead and do this before we move on to doing the rest of our face makeup. So these are what our eyebrows are looking like after cleaning them up with the concealer, and then I went ahead and did the rest of my face makeup off of camera just to save you guys a little bit of time with this video. And now I'm going to move on to my lower lash line. So first I'm going to line my lower lash line with the black color My Ride Is Here from the Conspiracy palette. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit more of like a dense, stiffer blending brush. And I'm going to take the color Illuminati and just kind of blend that under our eyes as well. Last thing that I did on our lower lash line is I went in with a more flexible blending brush and I took the color Tanacon and just kind of blended that underneath our lash line just so it didn't look as dark and the darker colors were more blended out, so it didn't look like raccoon eyes, if that makes any sense. And after that is done, I'm just gonna go in with some mascara on my top and bottom lashes. The mascara that I'm using is the Unlimited Mascara by L'Oreal. And then the last eyeshadows that we need to apply on our eyes is a brow bone and inner corner highlight, and I'm going to be applying the color Ranch, which is kind of like a more shimmery white color. It's a beautiful color and the perfect color for a highlight. So here is what our makeup is looking like. It is about 95% complete. The only thing left that we need to do is apply our lip color, which of course is the star of this whole Get Ready With Me, and that is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the color First Class. When I first opened this liquid lipstick, I remembered it looking a little bit more green and not as gold. So as you can see, I was like holding it up to my lip, like thinking like, oh gosh, like is this totally gonna clash with the dark green eye makeup that we have going on? But I just kind of went for it. Even if it wasn't a good match, I still just wanted to go ahead and use this liquid lip. And I actually think it turned out looking pretty good. It wasn't as bad looking as I thought it was going to be. It's definitely more of a unique look, but I'm actually really happy with how this look turned out. So yeah, that is basically it for this Get Ready With Me, inspired by the Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the name First Class. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And I'm gonna get going for now, but I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.